now go. Okay, thank you. So we will now go to the last topic for this morning. Okay, variable. Can you see the screen? Okay, Ra? Okay. Okay. So, okay, thank you. Now, why we have anong gaunata sa variable? 'Di ba ingon ka sir, input, process, output. Input unta tao na o sa process o sa output. As you can see, the first programming program that atong gigama, babaliktad siya. Naguna siya sa output, 'di ba? Started with the output and I will give you the process o later ang input. Pabaliktad ang programming, guys. Yung ano, mas disod man siya unahon ang input. Mas una mang ipagawas o hatag example for output. Then input. Okay? As you can see also, why we I need it is a programming construct, a basic programming construct that all programming languages has this one variable. Why I need to go first variable is because before you input, 'di ba, you have to input something. You have something a container or a location or a storage that you were going to store your input. So before you input, there is something you have to place your inputted data. That is why I first discuss variable with my or programming class. Variables ang pinaka-importante because di mo na to isulod ang atong mga data na among imong ipang input. Di ba? It's either process data or input data, di na to isulod atong variable. First thing is variable. So variables are the names you give to computer memory locations which are used to store values in a computer program. So asa man din ni siya ma-store ning variable. Dili ni siya ma-store sa hard disk, sa flash drive, di na siya ma-store sa secondary memory, ma-store din siya sa primary memory. When we say primary memory is the random access memory, the RAM. Dito siya nimo ma-store. That is why muran kag program, input kag data, ug ma-close ang program, mawala ra po tong data because that is a temporary memory sa kuan lang siya sa primary memory, no? So sa primary siya sa RAM. So ngano siya kinahanglan? It will allows the computer to work with while running your program na imo siyang save siya initially to the RAM before saving it later to the secondary memory, 'di ba? So for example, have you tried to write um, letters from sa Word document? Nagsulay na mo gama og love letter ba? Gama ba mo og unsa man application letter, 'di ba sa Word documents? Okay. So while writing application letter, 'di ba? Wala pa kanimo na save, pero you are trying to work on it. Dayon, ni brand out since you are using desktop, internetan, you are the merge of almost finishing the application letter. What happened? Ni brand out. Brand out pag open, wala man nimo na save, so balik na po kasi nagdanan. So my question is, while working on it, asa dito na save to imong gitrabaho? Sa secondary memory, sa hard disk ba, sa flash drive, or sa email, or naasulod to sa primary memory, sa RAM? Sa primary siya sa. So, while working in any application, it will save first for the primary memory sa RAM. O, di ba? Nakainom no pamuana sa inyo ang programming o sa inyong ITS 100 o ITS 100. Primary memory o second. Okay. Very good kayo. At least naka-remember wala gid nalimtan. So, ang primary memory is ang RAM. Ang secondary memory is katong ang primary memory kato na siyang mga gamay kay na siya dayong gamay siya na expensive, gamay siya capacity expensive. Ang secondary, dako siya capacity less expensive. Ano siya. So, ang mga hard disk, flash drive, external hard drive, those are secondary memory. Pero, long term siya. Once the computer is turned off, nara gihapon, basta ma-save nimo sa secondary memory. So, kung while typing your application letter, na imo siyang gi-save, then i-run out, hindi na ka na-save siyang flash drive, hindi na ka ma-worry. It is because it was now saved to the secondary memory. So pagbalik nimo, you can access it again because it was now saved on the secondary memory. Wala siya na save sa primary memory, which is the RAM. Kaya ang RAM, it can access, save it directly, faster, but you cannot hold it any longer as long as mapalo ang computer. Na na siya term sa programming, sa IT fundamentals, na siya term na gina-use. Sa gina siya. Ikaw, volatile and non-volatile. Hmm? Volatile, meaning, sa mga volatile, nalimot na dyan sila, uy. Nalimot na sila kung sa volatile o non-volatile. Kung sa man na si non-volatile o si non-volatile o si atong ili research, ano man mo, asa mo man nila asa man mo nakuan, ha? No. Ay, sorry. Dili, sakto, sakto. Dumor. Lahi man po ditong mahikap o mahikap. Software, tangible o intangible man to. Sorry kayo. Ang volatile, mm, atong para hindi ko masipyat pod kay dili po kay ko kuan. So, volatile memory is a computer storage that only maintains its data while the device is powered. Munay volatile. Meaning, bahala nag-on ra siya, di mo palong siya, mawala ra yang data. Munay volatile. Munay RAM. Volatile memory ang RAM. Na gaon, basta kay mag-on siya, na nakikikuri-kuri, pagpalo nga na, mawala na siya, that is volatile. 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 Na napot tayo non-volatile, non-volatile, meaning masave na siya. Walag ma-off ang computer, masave ra siya directly. Nga, di ba? Nakanakalimot yun mo ni volatile o non-volatile di ay. Manang kinahanglan niya to i-review yun yung programming. Okay. So nakuha na nato asa man gamit where we can use the variable, especially in storing data. Single data lang. We can store single data. So that is why that is the limitation of a variable because we can store only single data. So you have a lot of data to be stored, you have create a lot of variables. If you have data, you have 10 data to be stored or to be stored, then you are going to create 10 variables. So ang yang gamit ni variable is for storage purposes. Mura ko yan gamit yun. Storage purposes for your data, inputted data or processed data, you are going to store it. So it will be the work for that is the variable. Now, in working a variable, we have four things to consider. As you can see on the screen, sorry, data types. So we have primitive data types. When you say primitive, murabag karaan, murag basic primitive data types. This is basic data types in Java and C++. You have char, integer, double, and boolean. Okay? Taran just bag, taras motor. Paleograph ko kuan sa akong bag dito. Butang. Ha? Nara ko'y food. Web. Ito mga kauban diri ah. Okay, then excuse me for that no. So then natay character, integer, double, and boolean. So muna yung mga data types. Primitive. Nganong way labot ang string? Ang string is an advanced data type. Diba ang character is just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, abot Z, yung 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Muna yung character that holds only 4 bits of data. Ang integer, natay mga integer like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Abot. Pila na siya. Nasa limitation kaya naman siya Natay siya short integer, ako ra siyang i-general, natay short integer, natay long integer. Kani yung integer, kani ra yung mga numbers like 1 to, safe an is 1 to 1,000, 100,000, or 200,000 ba to? Di na mo kasi abot og 200,000 siguro na data. So integer ato ang pinaka fit. Ang double is a data type that has katubang numbers pero na ay decimal places. Ang gamay-gamay sa double mo tong float. Di ba nakabantay mo og float? So naantay float katong na F. So kato na mga gagmayng data. Since cater tagdag ko in preparations lang pod for bigger data na i-store. So use na lang boolean, double, not float. And boolean is the data type that consists of only true or false and necessarily di na kaya siya ginagamit ron or lesser na siya na scenario na mo mo kuan gamiton siya man yung mga data types. Then we have naming convention as I've already posted it on our group. 'Di ba? Nakabantay mo na ay naming convention. The name of the variable should be it depends on how you name it also. Natay Pascal casing. First letter is small and then the second word we don't the naming of the variable is only one word. So that is why it depends on you what case are you into. So, og Pascal case na o if two words imong gigamit na word, for example, last name. So, L is last is small and then L for name last name. So, N for name is big letter N. Camel casing, both of first letter of the word should start with capitalize. Snake case underscore the separator of the two words is underscore. It is because of the no need wala man siya di man siya pwedeng na ay doble siya. Usa raman siya. One word raman. Then kebab case, this is not intended for C++ and Java. It is intended for Python and Ruby na language. Kebab means mura ba siya ayang concept is barbecue stick ba? Ituhog something na ang two words tuhugon ng kebab. But this siya intended because this separator na this symbol na we call it minus sign naa siya gamit sa C++ ug Java which is arithmetic operator na kuan na subtraction. So di siya pwede gamiton dira. So there's a big no-no for using kebab case on our C++ and Java. So, ang magamit ra nimo na case is Pascal case, camel case, snake case, ug lazy case. Ganang wala two words na wala ra gyud kay mura yung taputon. That is what we call lazy case. Then assignment operators, then value. So, before parang ma-subtan ko ninyo, let me show you. First in Java, C++, then later in Java. Okay. So this is how you are going to create. Let me create a new project and I will name it to C++. This is variable. Okay, variable review. Okay, okay, next. Okay, klaro ra. The codes are it's okay. Makalaro ra, maklaro. Okay, kani, dako na ni kayo. Palihog na lang ko. Dako na ni jud kayo na. Sige, sige. So mm, okay. Now, in variable, before we tackle this one, because sa to ang PowerPoint presentation, naatay variable name, assignment, and value. So, that's the four components of a variable. So, you have data types, di ba? Natay data types, sorry. Natay data types, um, natay name, natay assignment, ug naatay value. Mo gina you cannot create a variable ug wala na siya. Data types, name, assignment, of value. The one I am writing right now is what we call comment. That is not intended for the program. Munang color gray siya. So, data types. Before creating a variable, you have to think what are the data to be stored. For example, mayroon kang Fahrenheit. Like example ngayon na Fahrenheit. Unsa man tong data for Fahrenheit? Unsa may type sa data for Fahrenheit? So mo think ka na unsa man? Double, integer, boolean, string, character. So man yung una-unaon because unsa na klase imong store man na data? Muragog ka og for example magluto ka sa inyong balay, magpirito ka. You are asked by your mother to fry a bulad. Now, sa imuhang ka maayo, nagprito ka, gagamit ka og kaldero. Pwede ba na? Pwede. Pero lisod. Dili siya bagay. In programming, we need to make it consistent and much more organized. Kung kinahanglan kag Fahrenheit, meaning the other thing you consider is the only numbers. So, kung sa na klase na number, number ba na naay zero or naabay wala? Naabay naay decimal or wala? So, mayroon kang temperature, na yung mga point something. Di ba? So, mayroon kang mingon ka diri na double. Nga naman double? Because it is an integer with a decimal place. Fahrenheit man. Di ba? So, we have Fahrenheit. Di ba? So, kung Fahrenheit, imo gid siyang uh, imo siyang i-double. So, nakakuha na data type. Okay. So, double akong i-data type. Now, what is the name? Unsay ngalan nimo? Unsay ngalan niya nimo? The variable. Because that is intended for Fahrenheit, i-name nimo siya og fa Fahrenheit. Di ba? So, man na siya. O ganahan kag specific, mayroon ka na, okay, inputted, input Fahrenheit. Oh. Duwa naman na ka words, depende na nimo sa mga gamitol ba na. Camel casing ba ka? Pascal case ba ka? Or mag snake case ba ka? 'Di ba? Or ganahan ra jud kag LASIK casing. It's up to you. Wala na siya pagbuot, it's up to you lang. It's much more convenient for me. For me, I always use camel casing. Para may bala na ako, this is two words. Input Fahrenheit. Hmm? That is what we call. Okay? Now, nanatay data types, nanatay name, and you have assignment. Munang assignment, munang equals assignment. Di ba? Then value is what we call the data that we will going to store in this variable. Since this is double, for example, kang 50.1. So how many components in doing that one? 4. Data type, double, name, Fahrenheit, assignment, equals, value 501. This is only the basic way for learning variable. Any questions for that? Question guys. Ay, sorry ako na. Any question? Nakuha rin ninyo na, muna siya, always remember, data type, name, assignment, o value. Now, if you use this pattern, this is what we call variable declaration and initialization. initialization. Atong ay sorry. So gigamit naman na pattern, this one blast imong gidungan tanan. Kani tanan imo na siyang gidungan in one line, and we call it this properly term, ang yang tawag na term ana in variable is variable declaration and initialization. Asa man ang variable declaration ay dapita. This is double input Fahrenheit. This is what we call variable declaration. Manay term ani. Kani akong what I highlighted, this is what we call variable declaration. Declaration. Now, what is variable initialization? Mo ni siya. Input Fahrenheit is equal to 5.01. That is what we call variable initialization. No. So this is what we call variable declaration and initialization, because in one line you both have two processes, variable declaration and variable initialization. Now, o ganahan ka, mo declare ka, for example, int age. This is what we call variable declaration. So, variable declaration. Yung kang age is equal to 17, this is variable initialization. You see the difference? Maura gyapon na sila. Nag 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 naggakuan hag variable. We call it, you cater the variable ruling. So kanus amang ka mag variable initialization o kung sa man kunus aka mag variable initialization or both of them kanus amang ka. Before ana mangutana ko, nasabtan ra? Any question? Okay, very good. So if wala na questions, na mangutan ako, kanusa man day ko sir mogamit og variable declaration and initialization, or kunusa na ako siya mogamit og variable bulag-bulag siya. Okay. Usually, variable declaration like this one, it's more on the process stage. Anong ga-process na ka ba? Kani, pwede ka process. No? Pero soon to accept data later on. So, pwede kani siya. Soon to accept. Soon to store data. I-declare first the data. For example, age. So, for example, age is equal to ano is that is intended for here. Maingon mo kana cn age. Right? Sorry. So when you run a program, it will accept data. Makita ninyo na nagblinking siya, it will accept number or something data. Now when I enter, it will save it on the age variable. Kani siya, ang practical example na ng variable i-declare pa nimo kung unya pa nimo gamiton ng value, yung unya pa nimo siya i-initialize. Sa C++ man good guys, this is what we call initialization. Lahi po siya og term. Pero naara na, mahatag rin niya kung example ninyo na magamit po siya inato na age is equal to something. Yung mo niyang simple input-output stream. Mo man niyang input-output stream mo nang kuan siya ning tawag ni inani. Pero I will give you an example later on na makakuan. Any question? Any question, guys? Thank you. So if no question, um, I will be stopping the session right now. It's still 12 p.m. naman, and we have run a short of time. Pero I will continue later this topic for Java. Pero for C++, okay na ni siya. Variable declaration and initialization. This is the basic principles you have learned for variable. Okay? So any question? Kani siya variable declaration initialization. Yes, correct. So any question? Kung wala, oh, sige na ay question na. Kay mamaniud to sa ta. Maniud to sa ta kay murag alas 12 naman. Then we will see each other again next Monday. The same time. Gutom na kay. Sa attendance. Yes, yes, yes. Sige, sige. So, katong mga section F, sige lang. Akong gaman og section okay. Sorry for that no na I forgot na wala ABCD ni direkta og F no. Okay. Okay na, nanay F. Kindly refresh nanay F. So, all of you already submitted your attendance. So, I guess uh, okay, submit naman. Okay, thank you for coming. I will just turn off everything and I will upload just tomorrow lang ang session video today. So then please na lang expect assignment and session assessment for three topics. Okay? Okay, so sa Facebook group na to. Ako mag-announce ako. Okay, so I will be turning it off all the session, but after 1 p.m. the attendance will no longer available. Okay? Uh, uh, okay, okay lang. Maka-attendance lang mo ron. Maka-attendance. Any questions, guys?